If you're just joining us, I'm Claudine Wong, and this is our daily coronavirus update live from Fox. We come to you every weekday. We start at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific, go for a couple of hours, check in across the country. And so we're happy that you're joining us now and happy that you can be a part of this. We want to go now to Las Vegas, Nevada, and go to Ryan Lewis, who is the CEO of Global Cannabinoids and, hand sanitizer. That's where you are these days?
Yeah, it's pretty unbelievable that now we're manufacturing hand sanitizers. But our company, Global Cannabinoids, we're one of the largest distributors of hemp-derived cannabinoids, CBD oil, and we're always analyzing trends in the industry, looking for interesting products that we can combine our cannabinoid ingredients with. And a lot of people don't know that cannabinoids actually have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. So it makes for a logical addition into any product formulation that would be antibacterial. Last year, we launched a CBD-infused soap, and that did extremely well. So we had our eye on sanitizer, and we were analyzing Google search results for consumers and noticed a spike in sanitizer. So we decided to launch a cannabinoid-infused hand sanitizer. And so we added cannabinoids into a base formula that's manufactured at one of our partners' facilities. It's according to FDA regulations, it's 70% ethanol alcohol with vitamin E and moisturizers. But the demand we've been getting for sanitizer since then is unbelievable. We've also donate a portion of all the sanitizers that we're manufacturing to first responders, medical professionals in need here in Las Vegas. But yeah, in situations like this, it's imperative that you adapt as a business. And, the demand right now is for sanitizer, and we're in a great position
Ryan,
to provide that.
From what I hear, the demand for CBD in general and deliveries is up across your industry. I'm wondering, in capacity and the ability, it's hard to find hand sanitizer anywhere. How much are you making? Are you seeing that demand, the supply meet the demand? And is there an up cost for buying hand sanitizer with the CBD in it?
So ironically, the reality is that we're actually making more sanitizers without any CBD. Being from the cannabis industry, we use ethanol on a regular basis in the extraction process. So we have huge supplies of ethanol. We control supply chains of it. And so we've secured contracts for hundreds of thousands of gallons of ethanol per week. We have a facility that then converts it into a sanitizer. But we're not in the business of price gouging. Of course, when you add cannabinoids to the product formulation, the reality is it's now a premium product. Cannabinoids are not necessarily cheap. However, the bulk of our orders right now are for big box retail, hospital chains, and they are preferring, just to get hand sanitizer, good old hand sanitizer.
Stuff, yeah, the basic stuff. So are you doing direct to consumer? So you have the big orders of the people who are just trying to get enough so they can make sure that everyone is safe, and they're making sure the protocols for, if you talk about big hospitals or different things like that, are you getting direct to consumer people who like CBD and like that and have had that work for them, saying maybe this is an added bonus that I can add to whatever I was using?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a brand that we've developed called Medically Minded. So we have a hand sanitizer that's launching on medicallymindedcbd.com, and we're actually pricing our cannabinoid-infused hand sanitizer. It's cheaper than what you can find online for just regular sanitizers right now. And that's really to meet that consumer demand, because we are a bulk and wholesale B2B supplier. So the reality is we're trying to, address all, demand in the marketplace and get people the products that they need in this situation, because this coronavirus isn't going away for a long time, and hand sanitizers, face masks, that's the new norm.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's going to be part of our lifestyle going forward.
Yep, absolutely. All right, Ryan Lewis, thanks so much for that. Interesting to hear the innovation and how it can impact and really help, whether or not you're using the cannabinoids or you're making the regular sanitizer. I appreciate adding anything to our supply chain right now.
Thank you.